Guys, sorry for the worst video name. I really know some shit after drawing this and drawing this. Look at this, guys. If you not definitely see it, I will get this. Let me flip this camera. Guys, do you see the mode? Before I change it, I use this eraser. Now it's time for Tagalog time. Pag hindi, so you don't understand me in English and you understand me in Tagalog, let's do that. I gotta post this a minute. Pag 7 years old pa lang ako, mahaba pa to. At bago pa to, i-flip ko na to una. So, cortina. Dito lagi na sa amin, bahay, nabili ni mama. At ito, bago na kasi napunit-punit ko na yung isa. Pero hindi ko to na-video eh. Hindi ko na-video to, yung dito. At isa, matatanggal dito yung cabinet. At palipat dito. Sa isa nakaraan, nagtagtai ako pero hindi ko napakita ko sa inyo. Hit like, subscribe button. At hindi ba marami na subscriber at isa lang nagsas